In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Fellow app, which can record meetings, provide transcripts, assign action items, and allows for a comprehensive media storage solution for those who have many meetings or classes to keep track of. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump right in. So the Fellow app is pretty cool for helping you keep track of all of your different online meetings. There is an assistant that can join inside of your Zoom account, and basically it will record, transcribe, give you action items and summaries all to your email of all of the things that took place in your meeting. Not only that, but it houses everything inside of your account. So you can see any meetings that are coming up, a library of recordings, and it will help you provide recaps and any additional information about that meeting. And if I wanted to look at, let's say, a recap of any given meeting, it not only records the session, so I have an hour-long session here that was recorded using the Fellow AI tool. And what it does, it provides a summary, it provides action items, it provides decisions that were found. It also allows me to take notes directly into this recording from within the app. I then can structure it using headings or other formatting techniques. We can do talking points, action items, and just have a general notepad. Additionally, you can assign this to other people that have the Fellow app. Now, under our recap area, we have the ability to see the highlights. We have a full transcript of everything inside. Now, this is an automated transcript. We then have stats of the different people who talked, and we have the ability to download any of these options, both the transcript, the highlight, our notes, or we could share the meeting recording with whoever we wanted to share this with. Now, what's cool about this is they also have a co-pilot from within the Fellow app where you can ask questions about the meeting for anything that you may have missed. This is super useful from a note-taking perspective, and students with disabilities would have a great time using this app just strictly for the level of detail that we can use for organizing our recordings, having notes about those recordings, providing transcripts, and having action items. Overall, the Fellow app is a super useful tool if you are in many online meetings. It can be used to organize your notes, and it can help you study for important information that might be on an exam. And it really will save you a ton of time in reviewing any of the information that may have come up during a recording. Now let's take a look at what it looks like from within my Zoom environment. Essentially, I'm going to launch a Zoom meeting, and then Sean's co-pilot for Fellow is going to join that same meeting. Okay, now that I ended that recording, let's jump back into our Fellow app. Let's try to refresh the page. And in here, I have my 1-minute recording. Let's go ahead and watch it.
So I just launched a test meeting, and Sean's fellow co-pilot was asked to join the session. What's cool about this is I have a companion mode right next to me that allows me to take notes during this live meeting that is currently being recorded.
Okay, you get the idea. So I'm playing back a meeting right now. Now, if I wanted to, I can review the summary, the action items, download the transcript, see a list of stats, or check out the talking points that I am adding in. In addition to that, I have the companion mode window shown here that was appearing on my screen during Zoom. This would allow me to add in talking points right now on the fly. And if you notice, in my companion, it actually updates it directly inside of the recording within the app. This is super powerful. We can add private notes, and we can even ask Copilot information about the recording. Let's go ahead and close companion mode, and let's close this specific recording. And now you can see all of the recordings right from within your app. If you want to try the Fellow app on your own, check out the link in the description of this video. And as always, I could be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.